Hi, today we're going to be working on the Minuet number 3, which we played in class. And this is going to be the video that you're going to use to practice during the week. I'm going to be going over everything that we did in class today, so you'll be able to have a guide for your practicing. The first thing that we did in class today was we learned the up bow, or as it's really called, a hooked bow. So let's air bow a hooked bow. We're going to go in a down, up way for the first. Okay, let's try it. Ready, go. Down, up, down, up. That's what we have to do when we get to measure 4. Let's just try playing measure 4 in your piece. Count to measure 4. You see it? Good. We're going to start on a C natural. Let's try it together. Ready, go. One more time. Very good. And we have the same thing again at measure 12. Now, let's take a look at the first phrase of the piece. Before we begin, though, we need to talk about the key signature and the time signature. If you look at the key signature, you'll see that there are no sharps or no flats. That means that we're in the key of C. And we're going to have F naturals and C naturals. So we're going to use our second finger for an F natural on the D string, and our second finger for a C natural on the A string. So make sure when you're playing that you use your second fingers for those F naturals and those C naturals. The next thing that we're going to look at is the time signature. We are in 3/4 time, which means that we have 3 beats in a measure, and a quarter note gets 1 beat. So let's play the first phrase together. Are you ready? You have your instrument up? Good. Put your bow on the string. I'm going to count off 2 measures for nothing, so you get an idea of the tempo that we're going to take. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play. I'm sure that sounded very good. If you want to work on it some more, please go back and try this again. You can either do it with the video or on your own. When you're ready, we'll continue with the second phrase. Okay, it's time for the second phrase. We're starting at measure 9, and we're going to the repeat sign. Remember, the repeat sign means that you go back to the beginning of the piece and you play this first part all over again. So let's get our bows and fingers ready for measure 9, the second phrase of the Bach Minuet. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Remember, if you need to repeat this section, go back and try it again. If not, let's try playing the entire first half together. We're going to take it a little bit faster and see how we can do putting the whole first half together. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. I hope that you remembered the retake after measure 8, coming into measure 9. You have to take another down bow for measure 9. That was very good, and remember, you are supposed to practice 15 minutes, 5 days a week. So I'm hoping when I see you next week, this will sound really, really much more improved than it was in class today. You know what you're going to be working on, and if you have any questions, remember to write them down and bring them into class for our next lesson. I look forward to seeing you next week. Enjoy the minuet.